welcome to the channel, Teresa Rene. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you have not subbed yet, hit the sub button and hang out with your girls. So, I didn't do too much damage, y'all, for the Ulta and Sephora little discount stuff they had recently. Because y'all know I recently just decluttered like so much stuff. And the last thing I wanted to do was buy up a whole lot of stuff because I'm just committed to not doing that. So what I wanted to share with you is some of the things that I did pick up, and they're just small things, y'all, because like I said, I really wasn't trying to go there, honey. So let's see what we got from Ulta. From Ulta, what I ended up doing was getting a lot of under eye area, because I am at that age, girl, where I have like, on this eye right here, I think I have a seriously deep line. So I really wanted to get some eye creams to try to kind of help them on the eye areas, child, because they're something else, honey. So of course I won't use all these at a time. I'll use them one at a time. And I got the, is it Vichy Aquila Thermal Awakening Eye Balm. Yeah, let me read it on the right side. Vichy Aquila Thermal Awakening Eye Balm. And that's what that looks like there. For Ulta, I got 20% off. I got the Clinique Pep Start because I have a sample size of this, and I really like this like in the mornings when I'm getting ready for work or whatever. I'll go ahead and put this on to start out with, and I really do like that one. So we got here the Mad Hippie Eye Cream. I've never heard of that, but it has some really, really good reviews. So I was like, you know what, let me check that out. Y'all, we are waiting for some food to come. Your girl is about to starve, and I didn't cook tonight. So I'll be glad when they get here. I have tried this before, and this is the Clinique All About Eyes Serum. And this is with the roller ball. So I decided to pick it up again. It's for puffiness. Because y'all know sometimes, girl, them eyes be puffy, honey. And I don't be sleeping sometimes, y'all. So your girl be having issues. And this is the Julep So Awake Depuffing Gel Eye Cream. So y'all, it might seem extreme, but I really do have like a lot of, and that's probably because I don't sleep that much, a lot of stuff going on. I decided to pick up this Jasponique Angled Beauty Sponge. It reminds me of the Beauty Blender. I have the Black Pro Beauty Blender that I absolutely love. Oh my goodness, I love that Beauty Blender. And here I decided to, Ulta, well, MAC, Ulta, all of them have the Aaliyah products on sale for 40% off. So I got 40% off, then another 20% off. And what I got here is the More Than a Woman lipstick. Y'all know I can't see. And it's nighttime too. And this is a deep red. How pretty is that, right? Oh, I love this color, and I hope I can wear this color, because y'all know I be buying reds all the time. Oh, that is like a berry though. Can you see that? That is really, really pretty. I like that color. So the other thing I got is the lip gloss. You are at your best. At your best, you are. This is what it says, child, and that's the berry color as well. I don't know why I got these deep, dark colors, but I'm going to try my best to wear them in the fall, honey. And so because I ordered during a coffee break or something like that, I think it was like a coffee break or something, I got this stuff from It Cosmetics for free, and I really, really wanted this. I really did. So I have here the eye cream, the, what is this, Confident, I need some glasses, y'all. I think it's an eye cream, a moisturizer, a cleanser, and then a brow, what is it, brow powder? Brow powder, a brow pencil, I think. Let me just show you real quick. So that's the brow pencil thingy right there. These are the eye cream, the cleanser. Now this is a cleanser, eye cream, moisturizer. So that was a good deal. You know, those are some pretty good size samples to try out. So I got all of that from Ulta. Y'all got so many points right there for Ulta. I cannot wait until Christmas, because I'm not even going to spend it. Maybe November I'm going to spend them. Now from Sephora. Yeah, I'm not feeling that little 15% off little mess that they do at all. So I got this Algenist. What is this, y'all? And let me tell y'all something. They are sold out. But if you have not, get your hands on these Sephora multitaskers. I had one that I recently started using, and girl, let me tell you something. It is a great, it's a great contour brush, but it is fabulous for foundation. Oh my goodness, it smooths out the foundation. It gives my foundation just such of a, it's just so smooth. But it's called the multitasker, and it was on sale for $12. And this time I actually got 3 of them because I really, I'm so glad that I tested it out and been using it recently. So when they had the sale and then they had these on sale, I was able to jump in and get them for $12 and 15% off, because I am not rude and I do not intend to be rude, honey. Absolutely not. So this is what they look like. I was gonna, you know what? I'm telling you, these are the best freaking brushes right there. Then I decided to try this Kat Von D Lockets. Girl, I really, y'all know what? The older I get, like, my reading is horrible. Oh, this is a concealer brush. I'm gonna go ahead and open this so y'all can see what this looks like. It's smaller. It's actually smaller than what I thought it would be, but I think it would be great just for like the under eye area. This is what that looks like, yeah. So yeah, this is gonna be great just to get in the under eye area. Yep, great for that area. So I want to see how well it's gonna do though. I also decided to pick up this beauty blender. I had gotten this, I had some points, I think at Macy's. And so this is the Sapphire Beauty Blender. And I really do like those beauty blenders, y'all. So I decided to pick up the Sapphire, and because it reminded me for some reason of that Pro, and that Pro is banging. So I picked this up. And then I got the Urban Decay Pro brush. Now, I have another brush similar to this, and it is a really, really nice brush from Urban Decay. So it's really soft. So I decided to pick this one up this time. What is this? MAC, the Lip Tensity lipstick. And I decided to pick up 3 of the Toast and, what is it? Toast and Butters. Girl, because I'm wearing it actually now. Can y'all see it? I decided to pick up 3 of these, girl. And I got one that I'm wearing now. I finished one and I'm wearing one now. So those are all the makeup Sephora, you know, Sephora, Ulta, and Macy's haul that I have for makeup right now. That I actually purchased recently. So that's what's new this time. And thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you haven't subbed yet, hit the sub button, hang out with your girl, and I'll holler back at y'all later. Bye, y'all.